welcome to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. So today's video, I'll be doing a DIY. I got a new table, dining table, off Facebook Marketplace, and I just want this, you know, vlog DIY to be about, you know, home decor, making your home feel homey, making it yours, and not having to go all out, you know. Like, I've been in my apartment for a year, and one of the things my mother always told me was not to try to buy everything all at once and, you know, just overwhelm yourself. You know, like, take your time, buy what you need here and there, and, you know, you'll be okay. So I brought the table home last night. This is what it looks like. My son ate at it this morning. He loves it, and I'm just like, baby, this ain't even the corner ain't even there yet. Just be patient. Just wait on it. So this is the table, $100, 3 chairs, and just a little glass, whatchamacallit. Let's just get into it. Okay, y'all, we are headed to Home Depot to do, what are we doing? To the kids workshop. And then I'm going to grab some spray paint, some black spray paint, and run to Hobby Lobby to get something like decor to like decorate that little area, put on the table and things of that nature. Quincy is ready. Yeah. This is what we're building today. Yeah, pay attention to what you're doing. Coming back for one of these to put in my living room. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too slow and I'm trying to grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. Keep your belly up on lean on comment. Ow. What are you screaming at? So Quincy chose this one. Okay, so first I got this little, what do you call this? What do they call it? A wood tray. And I'm gonna set this on my counter. So my counter looks so empty. So I wanna finally set stuff on my island to give it that, you know, give it that look. Next I got these plates to set on the table. Definitely want to shop the textures. That's going to give you that upscale look, is the texture things. These were $1.99 from Hobby Lobby. The tray was $30.99, but it was 40% off. So I think it came up to like, I don't know what it came up to, but yeah. Then I got this little book. This was on sale for $16.99. I'm gonna put this on the tray as well, and it says, "Live simply, love abundantly." So I thought this was cute, a little modern look for a touch. I got this little salt shaker to go on there. Salt shaker, pepper shaker. And this was $4.99 from TJ Maxx. And then I got these coasters from TJ Maxx, and they were $6.99. So, you know, you just buy little odds and ends here and there. You know, go to one store, shop around, look for this, look for that. And it just ends up coming together. So I'm just curious to see how everything is gonna come together. I'm super, super excited. Next, I got this to sit on my counter or sit somewhere, or maybe by my TV, but it just has little things written on there. It says, God knew I needed you. Give it to God and go to sleep. Amen. What else did I get? I got this candle holder. So I'm just like, this is so neat. Never seen nothing like it before. So definitely want to add that in. Y'all see this? Beautiful. I've been watching this probably for 6 months because it's $49.99. And I kept telling myself, okay, I'm gonna order the stuff off Amazon, make it myself, I'm making myself. But I could never find the right like black pampas grass, so never did it. But today was 50% off. This one I think I'm gonna put on the tray to go on my counter. I have little pops of green throughout my house, so I'm gonna add this. Thought that was cute. This was $29.99 and I think it was 40% off. So that might have been a little overpriced to me, but whatever. Which this little thing is shading. I shouldn't have got this. Well, I just have this. I don't know where I'm gonna set it. I just got it because it's cute and it kind of matched the aesthetic. I may set it by the TV or something, but I just thought it was super cute. So I also got this plant. This is the plant that's actually going to go on the table. So I'm super excited. So cute. This was $19.99. So yeah. I got these cute wine glasses. About to pour me up a glass right now. And I just love how they're like wide, like a little like boxed out a little bit. I needed a little upgrade on my glasses, so these were $19.99. Next, champagne glasses. I don't know why my friends always get to my house and break my champagne glasses. Like, dang. So I got some more of these as well. These are from Home Goods, $16.99. And look how cute these are. So cute. Next, these little table mats. If I could have gotten one, I would have. I got this to set in the middle of the dining table, so I had to buy the whole pack. These were $12.99, and I just cannot wait how it's going to piece up. I got this tarp to lay out on my balcony so I can spray paint. This was from Lowe's for like $4. This gets the stains out of anything. So I have white bar stools or cream bar stools on my couch. It's cream too. So this helps me keep it stain free with the toddler. These are the same spray paints I used in my last video, but this is the type I'm gonna use. It is matte black. I got 2 of these and I think I have a half a can left, so hopefully that is enough. And then I got this plastic cloth to drape over the bottom of the chair while I spray the legs. Let's try this one out. It is San Antonio, okay. Locally made. Let's see how it tastes. This is really good. Cheers, y'all.
famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, bro. Take me out the club, bro. Take me out the trap, bro. Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. I didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
Hey y'all, good afternoon. It is now Sunday afternoon. I just got back home from church, so let's just pick back up where we started, where we left off at. So my stuff is still out there drying. Let's go see. Well, it should be dry by now. So I redid the spots that I found this morning that had little missing pieces, and so everything should be good now. I think we're ready to bring it inside. This part was a little sticky this morning, but it is dry now. I also picked up a couple little more odds and ends from DD's discount. Never been in there, but today was the first time, and this is what I got from there. These little pillows to throw on the chairs. So cute. Yeah, these were $15.99 for $14.99 for a 2-pack. So I thought that was very, and their quality, like they feel really quality. So I got 2 of those and some little kitchen towels and stuff. Can't go wrong with extra kitchen towels and stuff like that. So let's bring this stuff inside and let's put it all together and see how it looks.
Really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what that means. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me.
Getting to the point where I don't want to take shots. I just want to sip my champagne, do what I do, and keep it pushing. Okay, my mom's picture is up. Table is put together and clean.
I wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap. I'm tryna hit the baby. Don't hit me up in WID me, baby. Send a boy a PIC to see me, baby. Okay, now we talk.
Our first meal at the table.
Cheers!
Exactly. Wingstop.
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. I don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I'll meet them at the...
Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just wanted to let other people out there know, like, don't rush your process to make your space. you're a safe space or homey for you. Just, you know, shop around here and there. Just, you know, be patient with yourself and always upcycle. Upcycling is like the way to go. Like, it's good for the environment and it's just like the way to go. Like, I literally spent $100 on the table, and after I added all the decor and painted and everything, it amounted to, I think, $206, including the price of the table. So it really, you know, you just have to know how to look at something and be like, okay, I can take this to the next level. But thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.